So let's make some walnut energy balls. So this is going to be really simple. I have 2 cups of walnuts that I already measured out. Now, everything is not measured, but I did measure the walnuts. And I'm going to put them in a NutriBullet. Here it is right here. Put a top on and we're going to blend it. So now it's time to blend. So we can probably post it a little bit or just go ahead and blend it. So let's see. So now we're going to put it in a bowl. Hope this bowl is big enough. So you don't want a lot of big walnut pieces in here, so I did my best. Maybe a few in here. But you want to kind of grate it up pretty good. So once you get all that in, you're going to add your melted peanut butter and honey. Now, I did not measure those, but you know the consistency you will probably want. Alright. So I'm going to say this made about a cup of peanut butter. I melted it because it's going to mix better. Add this. Then we're going to add honey. So this is probably like a 1/4 of a cup. You want to see how that mix. So you're going to mix it as well. Blend it. May have to add some more honey if you want to, or maple syrup. So that's literally it. So as you see, this is how it looks. It's like doughy. So what I'm going to do is form it into little balls. You can make whatever size you want to. And you can be creative. You can add something else to this if you wanted to. Raisins, whatever. So I'm forming little balls. Put it on like a baking pan or something and pop it in the freezer. And once it's frozen, frozen or firm enough, you can pop it out, eat it, put it back in there. Store them up, put in a large Ziploc bag. So there's a lot of ways you can do this. It can be a healthy option to get between meal times, kids, for yourself. Yes, my kids are in here, the younger two. But that's all. Very simple, very easy. Anybody can do this. And you do not have to use walnuts. You can use oats and don't have walnuts. You can use, you can try almonds if you wanted to and grind it up. I don't know. I don't care. You can be creative. But I normally do oats. I just get old-fashioned oats, honey, peanut butter. You can add chocolate chips if you want. But this is just walnut energy balls. So there are different energy balls you can do. These are walnut kind. So be creative and let's see what you can come up with. All right, small steps, it could be change. Let's go.